People lose money in crypto every single day. But do you want to be one of them? Or are you ready to make smart moves, secure your gains, and stay ahead of the market? Welcome to Wealth Finance and your journey to becoming a seasoned crypto investor. I've been tracking these markets through bull and bear cycles, and let me tell you right now, Bitcoin and select altcoins are looking primed for an insane run. Let's dive into what's setting up and how you can position yourself for maximum gains. And the best part, it's early. Most people are too distracted to notice what's happening under the surface. All right, let's talk about why I'm so bullish on Bitcoin right now. Remember back in 2017 when Bitcoin went on that massive run? Everyone and their grandma was talking about it, right? Well, this time feels different. This time, it's not just retail investors jumping in. We're seeing massive institutional money flowing into Bitcoin. Think about it. Companies like MicroStrategy, Tesla, even Square have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets. These are huge companies making big bets on Bitcoin's future, and they're not alone. We're seeing hedge funds, family offices, and even pension funds dipping their toes into the crypto waters. This is a major shift, guys. Institutional investors are notoriously risk-averse. So for them to be entering the crypto space, it tells you something huge is happening. They see the potential of Bitcoin as a long-term store of value, a hedge against inflation, and a revolutionary technology. But here's the kicker. This institutional adoption is still in its early stages. We're just at the tip of the iceberg. Imagine what happens when more and more institutions start adding Bitcoin to their portfolios. The demand is going to skyrocket, and with Bitcoin's limited supply, that means one thing: the price is going to go parabolic. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, isn't it too late to get in? Listen, I get it. It's easy to feel like you've missed the boat when you see Bitcoin hitting new all-time highs. But trust me, this is just the beginning. We're still so early in this game. To put things in perspective, Bitcoin's market cap is still tiny compared to something like gold. If Bitcoin were to reach even a fraction of gold's market cap, we're talking about prices in the hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars per Bitcoin. So, yeah, it's not too late. In fact, I believe now is the perfect time to get positioned before the next leg up. Now, if you're going to succeed in crypto, you need to understand how whales operate. A whale is essentially a big player who can manipulate the market with a single trade. They accumulate quietly, then sell high when retail investors start buying in. Here's how it works. Whales start buying up large amounts of a cryptocurrency, but they do it slowly and strategically so they don't move the price too much. This is called accumulation. Then, they'll use their massive capital to push the price down artificially. They'll dump a big chunk of their holdings, triggering a wave of panic selling from inexperienced investors. This is where things get interesting. See, those whales, they're not actually selling all their holdings, they're just shaking out the weak hands, the people who sell at the first sign of trouble. Once the prices drop significantly, the whales start buying again, scooping up even more of the cryptocurrency at a discount. And guess what? They use the same panic they created to their advantage. They know that retail investors are easily spooked, so they'll spread fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD, through social media, news articles, and online forums. This FUD creates a self-fulfilling prophecy, driving the price down even further and allowing the whales to buy even more. And finally, once they've accumulated enough, they'll start pumping the price back up. They'll release positive news, hype up the project, and create a buying frenzy. Retail investors, eager to make up for their losses, jump back in at the top, just in time for the whales to dump their holdings and make a killing. It's a ruthless cycle, but it's how the game is played. So, how do you avoid getting played? That's what we're going to talk about in the next chapter. Look, I get it. The crypto market is exciting. There's always something new and shiny popping up, promising to be the next Bitcoin. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, to see those green candles and feel that FOMO creeping in. But here's the thing. FOMO is your enemy. It's what makes you buy high and sell low. It's what makes you chase pumps and dumps. It's what makes you lose money. So, how do you avoid FOMO? It's simple. Do your own research. Don't just blindly follow the crowd. Don't just buy something because your favorite influencer told you to. Take the time to understand the project, the team behind it, the technology, and the problem it's trying to solve. Look for real-world use cases, not just empty promises. Look for projects that are building something valuable, something that will stand the test of time. And here's a little secret. The best plays are usually the ones people aren't talking about, at least not yet. So how do you find these hidden gems? Dig deeper. Don't just rely on the mainstream media or the biggest YouTubers. Look for smaller, high-quality channels, YouTube accounts, and Twitter profiles that consistently call the market well. Read white papers, join Telegram groups, and engage with the community. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to identify the real deals from the scams. Remember, investing in crypto is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't let FOMO make you lose sight of the long-term game. Take your time, do your research, and invest in projects you believe in. Let's talk macroeconomics, guys, because what's happening in the world right now is about to have a massive impact on the crypto market. First up, China. They're printing money like it's going out of style. We're talking trillions of dollars being injected into their economy. Now, why should you care? Because that money doesn't just stay in China, it flows into global markets looking for places to go. And where does it often end up? You guessed it. Assets like Bitcoin and key altcoins. This influx of liquidity is like rocket fuel for the crypto market. But that's not all. We've also got the upcoming US election, a massive event that could drive volatility in both traditional and crypto markets. Now, I'm not here to tell you who to vote for, that's your business. But what I will say is this. Elections create uncertainty, and uncertainty can be good for crypto. Why? Because when people are uncertain about the future, they tend to flock to safe haven assets. And what's becoming increasingly seen as a safe haven, you got it, Bitcoin. So, we've got China printing trillions, we've got the US election on the horizon, and we've got institutional money pouring into crypto. Tell me, does this sound like a bad time to be invested in this space? I don't think so. In fact, I think we're on the cusp of something truly extraordinary. This cycle is shaping up to be one for the history books. We've got all the ingredients for a massive bull-run institutional adoption, macroeconomic tailwinds, and groundbreaking innovation. The question is, are you going to be a spectator, or are you going to be a participant? Are you going to watch from the sidelines as others make life-changing wealth, or are you going to take control of your financial future and ride this wave to the top? The choice is yours. But if you're ready to take action, if you're ready to join the crypto revolution, then I invite you to subscribe to Wealth Finance. Here, you'll get the latest insights, analysis, and education you need to navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. I'll break down complex topics into easy-to-understand language, share my top picks, and help you avoid costly mistakes. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so you don't miss a single video, and let's ride this bull market together. See you in the next one. Guys, I'm telling you, this is it. This is the moment we've been waiting for. The crypto market is about to explode, and I want you to be ready. Remember, fortune favors the bold. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks, to invest in yourself, and to learn everything you can about this incredible space. The future is here, and it's decentralized. Let's build it together.